Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 6.5 by 18 straight deck utility trailer. At the front we do have a C-channel tongue as well as your hitch and breakaway box. At the front passenger side we do have a tire mount. This utility trailer does have 6-foot mesh siding. There are diamond plate fenders. This trailer does have a rear loading gate that is held up with a latch spring system. This trailer has LED brake lights, pressure treated wood flooring. This trailer has a powder coated finish paint to reduce against weather and wear. There are two 3,500 pound axles on 15-inch wheels and tires. This trailer does have tie down points at the bottom of the utility and top of the mesh. Once again, this is a 6.5 by 18 straight deck utility trailer with 6-foot mesh siding. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.